Hair care.
Hair care.
Yes.
Riu ritwa ni ria rito haria githungu.
Ni riri. Ni tora mati wa njuiri.
Rasa odita ri kothi.
Niyo itago tene thomithagio guku kwa Mulima Maestro. Itago
Hair and beauty.
Hair dressing and beauty. Yes. Korea egutaga kwa Mulima Maestro. Bwana sawa yo jina. You remember it?
The first lady.
Niasia jidia kwa first lady. Aite first lady akadekore. Ufanisi. Yes. Because you call this yone sieka oginya ni yaro menyingi muno. Because the demand was since created. Yes. People take care of their hair more now than ever before. Oh yes.
Ne kege abara egitweka very wide.
Very wide. Ona ukia duka ginya sia cosmetics, what have you. The demand is big.
And it's one of the biggest businesses around.
It is. Cosmetics is not a small business. Yes. Ona kuria andu mekete maundu manene muno na biashara ya cosmetics.
Mono.
Absolutely. Teneli. Lugori. Well, boy child hair care was totally out of the question.
What are you caring for?
No, you see, as long as your grandmother had a pair of scissors. Yes. Maga the meoma ba.
Wanora chufa.
Yes. Na wejo you wana ata ikitu kitu ito faros. Ta veggies ya kahwa. Well, there are a few experts bamenya akuhinya.
Na igathi.
No do magathi nigetho hinyeri. No mwaka wajira maya manene ukira tuyo tunini. Riu kwari maya.
Ria ko riri mwe.
Ona ni mahoya gwa fundi wa nguo. Okay. Okweria imamo cia nda.
Na wejo ni mundu wina ihenya ri. Ndakuhinyagia. Yatigara ini very visible.
Very visible. Wana riu Delmonte plantation cia manonari.
Ana Kenya Kanas.
Kenya Kanas riu nawe. Eke hiyo mwere farmers. Eke anjia. Wathigie gwitwo Kanas ri.
No ithe tiguo wetagwo Kenya Kanas. Miaka tene.
Ni tene. Iya ndio magwita Kanas ri.
Kenya Kanas.
So similarly, ladies now, no, let's get a little research in the rural areas. Gutia ni uhorosi wa maundu majuire. Ladies used to, you would not differentiate. Etikana ya mara kioto thikati, boys and girls.
Especially na twathomeire thukuru cia polling station.
Yes.
Mitwe yari uniform. Ni kwenjwo. Period.
Ndio ni muziari ogi akire thina muno. Atwarete mwana grade 10. Arero style yo aburire hau kana inukie mwana akamureke.
Yes.
Ndiadirikana tene ocio ri. Eta na witu. Wakora msichana ni kiparangoto
kabisa.
Yes.
Ile ono wa 7.
It never used to look very nice. You see a lady, you are not supposed to see the geography of a lady's the contours of the head.
The formation of their skull.
Yes. Their cranial formation. Okoraga mundu muko nake ogwaca giakwanyu we ni o ithunguri cia mutwe wake
bice ori onayo hakiri-ini
we nayo aya me ukunio mato
ni mato we makimwita Sheiks
makimwita Chantel makimwita Stacy makimwita Mercy na Simudhoni
mwe wajiko
kwa hiyo esa mehe mundu with the contours of and you see there were no salons. Yes.
It could go quality salons. You know, unlike today, you get almost every shopping center and you go there is a salon.
Yes.
Then it could go the quality salon.
Actually, why you are Ninawa Bakitari Niara Managa. Yes. Lu near Neanaga Memo. Yamudan Air Fair Bokura Mana. Alia Maramago, there were very few. That was maybe during the holidays. A Canada market took out the market of age. Maoka Kuramiro Kodoko. Wakemushi. Yes.
Inara managa afternoon au mamuguda.
Yes. Wakoro kwa nyine nyomuri togana mokumwa for 3 meals. Nio kaga.
Kuramira kwanyu. You have facilities and facilitation.
You are even taking care of expenses, transport and accommodation. And they would deliberately do it very slowly. Near I hate their breakfast.
There is food and beverage.
Niako yaginya break you up dhaka we nudu.
Ugadole maguru.
No na yaginya refreshment. Ruwa konye mutie na hospitality yo mutiriri.
Hinya no hotio yo mutire.
Yes.
Leu oguthie gwake.
Nyemu magaria kathe wanyu muihi. Tori ukana nduma. Na muye tudagikira kiario ke.
Athie na ndume wiki.
Leu mwathaka. Ugato tathiro ria kinyete ku.
Nuthu.
Nere kirie masi. Nuthu arame masi.
Kai.
Ndio mahe maitura matumito na masista mao mothe. Edwe holiday ukora. That's the only time mara mago. Na ningine jwire ginya yakwirira, so it was a painstaking process.
Yes.
Ai gei kimeja wongoro tu. Yes.
Vio.
Actually nyuthio na sitiari yake. Wotiari ate kurio.
Acha.
Nikweju. Naria no mara maga especially primary. I don't know how that is connected. Matia koragwo ningi matia reflect kamuno position in class.
Witarwo top performers ire.
Aya kura mari. Na podire.
Tikai ke mapiaga.
Ya bota. Aiwa weta no. Number 1 ini Standard 7 West. Masi Mudhoni. Uko na Hana Murani. The years were so outstanding. Wewe unataka jioni ona kama tumuno. Para ustedes you are ya no me ni alimato. Uko no kite hau. No me tiene kinya walking sai ati na kuria. They would walk tamorani. Sai tu gati. Kanyita mwalimu uguo na kiria na ripoti ha na kugoro kumwe kwi mbere yo na ruthikati rura ihu na matipostaga mbica icio
they can't okay keifuri they can't nguru tu.
Yes. Waga kaigwa aya nao me mage miori. The few who would be able kura muori niwe iwa me kuria na jesi ya thesi. Ya huku wengine ni urembo tu, kishwa ni marege. No, I don't know how that used to work.
Mera wote attention ya handu ha ucokia buku-ini ri. Acokagio thaka-ini.
Ni magemio. Kwaja aria mekira kadoti ya haikai. Yikara mekira na ikara.
Na buku.
No aria mathia makubetie. Ta mwavi.
Ayo na guo kana ibuku.
Yes.
Basiare mucero.
Walikuwa machopi. Aye tumeoma twaragi ya ng'ombe kwa ndegwa. Batiara maguo. Mara muothutha muno.
Muno riu.
Tona makinya form 1 ri. Nito they were bright. Riu magitego cukuru icike.
Nene.
Ukaigua ni arathire Kenya High. Ni aretirwo Loreto, Limuru, Pangani Girls.
Ana Bishop Gatimu.
Friends School. Yes. Bishop Gatimu Gun. Yes. Wonaga oka form 1 ri. Ni kare jago riu ni peer pressure. At least areke ke?
Areke juire emere.
Riu atagia kuramirwo form 2.
Ago mania juire mutwe.
Yes. Tondo form 3 that time ri. Niguo juire yamba kuingira blue dry. Igithiriru ka kujitoka muso tu. Hau nio macemanagia na riri. Hira clip eho yahana magota ma shark. Karoma. But in the polling station schools, primary school, the girls who used to perform very well never looked like girls.
No.
And you would only know because they had skirts. Otherwise, I say, "Brio giarori yo te koradiri."
Ona, you would not differentiate gender.
Yes. Kwaje mwenye tu alimura ihoku. No, I am on make it filters. TikTok. Ndoge mama nyareu. Watu wanatokanga mbali
sana.
Utiale saruni.
Mtu alikuwa ananyolewa kiparangoto.
Kiparangoto.
Era que na foto tu.